Hi Flo, last night I watched Korean drama. Very good, I think you should watch it too. Really? Can I give you a spoiler? That's okay. In the drama there are 3 people I suspect are the killers, but on Twitter many say that 2 of the 3 people are the real killers. Oh my god, I can't sleep thinking about who is the real killer. The power of Korean drama. But it's actually easy to guess who the real killer is. You can use mathematical permutations. Oh my god, I don't understand. You know first that my math grades are very bad. Aren't you very curious how to find out who the killer is? 2 people out of 3 people? Ah yes, you are right. Alright, so what is mathematical permutation? Let's explain to me. Oh okay. A permutation is a mathematical calculation of the number of ways a particular set can be arranged, where the order of the arrangement matters. A permutation is a collection or a combination of objects from a set where the order of the arrangement of the chosen objects does matter. In other words, a permutation is an arrangement of objects in a definite order. Since we have already studied combinations, we can also interpret permutations as ordered combinations. Types of permutation. Let's say we have a set of n distinct items, out of which we must choose our items. We can choose the required items in the following 2 ways. First, selection when the repetition of items is allowed, and second, selection when the repetition of items is not allowed. Repetition is allowed, such as the lock above. It could be 333. And no repetition, for example the first 3 people in a running race. You can't be first and second. What about permutation formula? The formula for a permutation is, you can see it on my tablet. Can you explain to me, what is n and r? Oh yeah, n is the number of things to choose from, and we choose r of them, no repetitions, order matters. And you know? Permutations are used in almost every branch of mathematics, and in many other fields of science. In computer science, they are used for analyzing sorting algorithms. In quantum physics, for describing states of particles. And in biology, for describing RNA sequences. The number of permutations of distinct objects is n factorial, usually written as exclamation mark, which means the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. What about permutations in the algorithm? I heard it from my cousin. Oh yeah, in computing it may be required to generate permutations of a given sequence of values. The methods best adapted to do this depend on whether one wants some randomly chosen permutations, or all permutations, and in the latter case, if a specific ordering is required. Another question is whether possible equality among entries in the given sequence is to be taken into account. If so, one should only generate distinct multi-set permutations of the sequence. I'm still studying it, so I only know a little. It's okay, I take good note of your explanation in my head, although it's hard to count, but I quickly remember something. After I get home, I'll practice the theory and formula you explained earlier to calculate how to determine who is the real killer. It's good, I'm also happy because you noticed my explanation of permutations. So, thank you for the explanation about permutation. Success is always for you. Yeah, you're welcome.